Good morning everybody. It's Ice's pattern. So welcome to this YouTube channel. As you see here, we have these two things. We have the first thing, which is anatomy of a candlestick. Anatomy of a candlestick is the overall it's the overall structure of the candlestick, and the structure of the candlestick from the beginning of that candlestick that you always see. So we have the formation of a candlestick, the first thing that we have, and from that part we also know that we have two characteristics of candlestick. There is one is bullish and the other one is bearish. So for a bullish candle, it's the candle that opens lower and closes at the high. So we always have the open of that candle at the lower part of the candle, and after that we have that candlestick which is opened. It opens, and once it opens, it goes to make the low of that candle. After making the low of that candle, there will always be what we can call it left behind a wick. So that wick is what you are seeing here at this first candle, the first candle. So that's where you can anticipate. That's where you can anticipate if you need to trade that one single candle. It may depend if it's a 1 hour or 4 hours, or even at a daily candle and weekly candle, whatever candle you can be using. So here you see that it's a bullish candle. The bullish candle normally opens lower and closes higher. So as you see here, that's how it happens. And for a bearish candle, it's the opposite. You see the open of the candle starts open. Once it opens, it's going to make the high. After creating that high, it will continue dropping low and form what we call the body, and after that it will create the low. It will create the low of that candle and come back to create what? To create the cross, and the candlestick crosses. So this is the structure of that one candle. This is the structure of the one candle theory, how it really happens, and everything that is related to this axis pattern concepts. So it's everything related to this formation of candles, because even though you have those, or let's say fair value gap or inversion fair value gap, all those things are created by the open, the high, the low, and cross of the candles. So we need to have multiple candles so that we can form this structure and have all those things that we can use. Like, it's like a PDLAs. It looks like it's a PDLAs. So once we have those things, it will be very easy when we understand the structure of the candle. And this is the part that is very strong into the strategy, because it's the foundation of everything. Thank you so much.